Hi, to set up Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy S25, go in Phone Settings, and here find this tab Connected Devices. After that, scroll a bit down and find Android Auto. First thing you can do is connect a car. For that, tap blue button, and now you can either enable wired connection or wireless. So if wired, then plug your phone into this vehicle's Android Auto compatible USB port and simply connect cable to start. But if you choose to connect wirelessly, then tap here, turn on Bluetooth, and press and hold the voice command button to begin setup. But note that feature is available only in some 2021 or newer cars. So if your car does support this feature, then tap here Connect using Bluetooth, tap to pair a vehicle and find it in this list available devices and then tap to connect. After that, we can adjust its setting, so we can start automatically by default if used on the last drive or always. We can start Android Auto while locked. Also, we can enable to start music automatically. We can customize launcher and add a shortcut to launcher. Also, we can enable taskbar widgets to show quick controls for apps. We can enable Hey Google detection, like that. We can enable day and night mode for maps automatically or manually choose either day or night. Also enable to show messages, notifications, and everything related to messaging. And we can also set seat location. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.